Yeah. It's done. It just lit up, and that was the chime sound for Whirlpool Duet Steam chime sound. It lit up, it said it was done. The dryer, electric. I'm filming and I'm doing this stuff at the same time, but quick wash needs something done quick. Hand wash for sensitive wear, delicate or another sensitive wear. Normal casual, active wear. For that stuff, it won't cause fabric stress. Bulky items, beddings. Bulky.
You gonna put it
heavy duty. I will put it in the dryer in a minute.
in a minute when he's ready.
Heavy duty.
Are you gonna put some jeans on
For dinner?
Yes.
Sure. Whitest whites for whites. Drain and spin. Rinse and spin. Swimsuits. Soak. Clean washer. For fresh. That was the chime sound for Whirlpool Duet.